Hi everyone, welcome to Dubai Airport. We're now here in departure area. Ito po yung sasakyan natin, yung D21. So, ang oras po ng flight namin is 10 o'clock in the evening. So, waiting na lang po kami. Mas maganda po yung ahead of time mag-check-in ka na kasi Saturday po today. So, napakadami pong pasahero. So, ayan.
Oman Air Flight WY624 to Muscat. Please proceed immediately to gate D20. Thank you.
Ayan po yung mga crew na Cebu Pacific. Also waiting. Nag-lunch na po sila. Alam mo ba nakakatuwa? Lunch nila is noodles. So, ayan. Thank you Lord for this day. Gabayan mo po kami.